How to speak English to garment buyers communication. Or, how to talk with garments buyers in English. Learn spoken English easily with buyers conversation. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will talk to foreign buyers or clients of garments. Today I will talk about some topics in English. But in the beginning of the video I say that if there are any mistakes in my video, please comment and encourage me. If you get it, I will make more new videos on the topic of apparel manufacturing. So now I have gone to the main topic of the video, and my request to everyone is to subscribe to my channel. I hope you will like it. Today I am from one of my friends. I have overheard some conversations from a merchandiser about how he had a conversation with one of his buyers. Actually I have mentioned their conversation here exactly, so let's have a look at today's topic. I have started the production of the 50,000 PCS of ties in China. Our supplier confirmed that they would be ready for shipment by 28th of March. But we need 60,000 PCS in shipment by the end of February. We need shipment by the end of February. Please note here, but the PCS writing was actually like this in the email, so no spelling has been fixed here. This is how I saw it. Please confirm if this is possible. Also please confirm your best price. There is no problem to increase the order quantity, but it is impossible for me to push the lead time by 1 month. Lead time is not possible to be reduced by 1 month. Actually the thing is that the time taken from the time when a production order is placed till the delivery of the product is called lead time. No problem, but it is not possible for me to reduce this time by 1 month. Actually the 28/2 the best bet from China supplier. What will be your deadline in order to meet the customer's request? Actually it means estimated time of delivery. China supplier has given the best possible time to send the product. Will you be kind to provide us with your company information? That is, would you be kind enough to give us your company information? Your garments will be produced in the below opening parenthesis mentioned closing parenthesis factory. So your goods has to be shipped to this factory too. So your goods should also be sent to this factory. What is your best delivery time? If you deliver on 10/3/2022, then we can, and on way, meet customers' shipment deadline. That is, what is your best delivery time? If you deliver on 10/3/2022, then we, by the way, will not be able to meet the customer's shipment deadline. New sample has been approved by ABC. Please send the documents that are needed for air shipment to clear the customs easily requested pipe waiting for the invoice. Please send ASAP. Opening parenthesis ASAP closing parenthesis. As soon as possible. Important, please note, at this moment, we are under heavy rainfall in our region and it will be continuing for the rest of the month. Hence, there is a huge backlog in our airport customs for clearing goods. And the goods are kept in tarmac under the open sky. So there is a huge risk of damaging the goods by rainwater which are not packed properly. T/4. Please inform from your mail to pack goods properly with polythene with extra precaution, so that rainwater doesn't wet the goods. We expect your kind attention and cooperation in this regard. Please confirm your clear understanding. That is, I explained it to you simply. Important, please note, at the moment, we are under heavy rainfall in our region and this will continue for the rest of the month. Hence, we have a huge backlog of airport customs to clear the goods. And the goods are stored on the tarmac under the open sky. So there is risk of damage of goods in rainwater which is not properly packed. T/4. Please inform your mail to pack the goods properly with polythene with extra caution, so that the goods do not get wet in rainwater. We hope for your kind attention and cooperation in this matter. Ensure your clear understanding. If you like my video then please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for everyone.